Hello folks, it's me PHCBR, directly from Brazil, and look what we've done here. Sometimes when you have a low budget to market, you gotta be creative. And I just got out now of this stamp place where I put this new ad here in our car. Look, talking about our app, Bora da Fome, our website, call to action, people can download in the App Store, Google Play, Windows Phone, and our logo. So whenever we drive this car around the town, people are going to be able to see our brand, that we work so smart and so hard to make this come true. This was just a dream 3 years ago, and now it's a reality, man. We came up with an app. Know what you want, and work your ass off. Persist without exception, my friend. Keep fighting, and good things will happen, no? As I mentioned in the video of yesterday, we are getting our first chance to provide our service outside of the state. Looks cool, huh? See you tomorrow at PHCBR International for more business strategy. You can just do, if you have a business of any sort and you have a car, or your friend have a car, you can do the same, you know, and gain more visibility, bring more people to your website, offer free value on your website, capture the name and email, build a relationship, sell them products, grow a business, live in the beaches of the world, and have fun. See you tomorrow at PHCBR International. Bye.